welcome you all to my channel. So for today we are going to be attaching sleeve to our jumpsuit, and I just want to attach a one cape sleeve, okay, and I want to leave the second sleeve armless this way. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut a cape sleeve. Now, we made the jumpsuit in one of our videos, so I'm going to put down the details down below. So the first thing you need for a cape sleeve is to determine where you want your cape to start from. Okay, you can just determine where you want your cape to start from. So for me, the total of my armhole is 8.5 inches. Yours can start at 3 inches, you could start at 4 inches. It depends on what you actually want. So for me, I'm going to make use of 3.5 inches. So I have 3.5 this way, 3.5 plus 3.5, that's a total of 7 inches. So for my round sleeve, we are going to have 7 inches. So I'm going to set this aside. Now, you're going to cut your fabric. You're going to fold your fabric in a triangular form, or the way you cut your flay. Okay, so I have a video on how to fold your fabrics to cut your flay. And don't forget, I said it's a one sleeve cape sleeve, so that's why I'm just cutting it in a single piece. However, if you want yours to be in a double piece, you can just fold it into 4 to give you a double piece cape sleeve. Okay, so now we marked 7 inches. So what you are going to do is to determine how many inches you are going to mark to give you your 7 inches. So basically, you just try any number to where you can have your 7 inches. So I'm going to try 8 inches. I'm going to try 8 inches this way, and I'm going to try 8 inches. So at the point of the 8 inches, I'm going to measure what I have. I have 5.5 inches, which is not 5.5 inches, which is actually too much, because what we are going to get here is 3.5 plus 3.5 to give us a total of 7 inches. So I'm going to reduce my measurements. I'm going to try 5.5. I'm going to try 5.5. So at this point of 5.5, I'm going to measure what I have. I have exactly 3.5 inches. So this is what I'm going to make use of. Now for the length, it actually depends on what the length you are using for your sleeve measurement. Okay, so there is no standard measurement. Some people prefer it long. You can prefer yours to be short. It depends on what you want. So for me, I'm going to make use of about 30 inches. So I'm going to mark 30 inches. Now look at where I placed my tape measure. I actually placed my tape measure at this point. So you just mark it this way, 30 inches. Just like the way you cut your flay, 30 inches. So you connect the lines together. That is what we have. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, join us for training. I'm going to put down the details down below. So this is very easy, very simple and easy method to cut your cape sleeve. So this is what we have. So we have the cape sleeve already. So this is our armhole. This is the armhole. So this is where we are going to attach it. So we are going to attach it this way. So we are going to attach it this way. You can see it's got to where we marked earlier on, because that was what we used in dividing this in dividing the inches for our cape sleeve. Okay, so you can shop for fabric at our store. Join us on Facebook, enlighten. This is actually very beautiful. So I'm just going to attach it this way. So the sewing is very easy. All you have to do is just sew it from where you want it to start from to where you want it to get up to. So by the time you've joined it, you have your cape sleeve this way. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video.